Hello students, welcome back to Geometry Box. Last time we studied exercise number 1.2 with regard to the arithmetic progression. Today I am going to explain some of the first n terms of an AP. The formula for sum of the first n terms of an AP is equal to, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where Sn stands for sum of the first n terms and n stands for number of the terms. A stands for first term and d is equal to common difference. Now let us today I want to explain one example on the basis of the first sum of the first n terms of an AP. The question is, find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, minus 2, and so on. In the solution, I am going to write here what is the first term 8, and the first term is 8 means that is A is equal to 8. Then again D, how you are going to find D? Common difference by using the formula A2 minus A1. A1 is 8, A2 is 3. Subtract 3 from 8. Subtract 8 from 3, it is minus 5. And then number of the terms is 22. Then again write down Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where Sn is S22 and n is 22 by 2. 2 into a is 8 plus n is 22 minus 1 into d, the value of d is minus 5. Then again, how many times cancel 2 in 22? It is 11 times. How many times? 11 times. Then multiply 2 into 8 is 16. Then again plus 20, subtract 1 from 22, it is 21 into minus 5, or 16, 11 into 16, subtract, multiply plus into minus. First of all you have to multiply the sign, then you have to multiply the number. Plus into minus, minus 5 into 21, it is 105. Then subtract 16 from 5, how much you get? It is minus, for example, look here, minus 105, subtract 16, carry now here 10, 9, subtract 6 from 10, how much you get here? Subtract 16, 2 years 16, okay. Subtract, now here this is 15, subtract 6 from 15, you get 9, subtract 1 from 9, you get 8. So it is minus 89. Then again multiply minus 89 into 11, 89, then 9, 8, 9, 17, 9. So if you multiply we get, finally we get minus 979. This is nothing but this is the value of sum of the first 22 terms of an AP is equal to minus 799. For example, on the basis of the sum of the first 8 terms of an AP. Question: if the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 28th term. Now let us study on the basis of this question solution. In the solution, what is the S14 is equal to how much? 1050. Then again first term, that is A is equal to 10. Then A20 is a question mark. Okay. Now let us first of all write down the formula sum of the first n terms of AP, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then again Sn means it is S14 and n is 14 by 2 into 2 into a 10 plus n is 14 minus 1 into d, because we do not know the value of d. Then again what do you mean S14? S14 is how much? 1050. So in the place of S14 I will write 1050. Now here what is the common factor? 2 is common factor. How many times cancel 14 into 1 time? 7 times. Then 2 into 10, 20. 2 into 10, 20. Subtract 1 from 14, how much you get? 13 into d. 13 into d. Then again What is the common factor between 7 and 1050? 7 is common factor. This is 1 time. This is 1 time, 5 times, 0. So on the left hand side I will write 150, because if we divide 7 to 1050 we get 150. 20 plus 13d. Then again transfer 20 on the left hand side, it is minus 20 is equal to 13d, or 130 is equal to 13d, or if 130 is equal to 13d, then d is equal to 130 divided by 13. How many times answer? 10 times. Therefore the value of d is equal to how much? 10. The value of d is equal to 10. Now we have find out we know the value of a. What is the value of a? 10. What is the value of d? 10. Then what you have to find? A 20. Now I can write a 20 is equal to a plus 20 minus 1 19. 19d. Then again substitute the value of a and d in this a 20. The value of a is 10. And then 19d means 19 into 10, because the value of just now we have found out the value of d is equal to 10. Then multiply 10 into 19, it is 190. The sum of 10 and 190 is equal to 200. First sentence of an AP we have studied examples. Now come to the exercise number 1.3. The exercise number 1.3 is on the basis of the sum of the first n terms of an AP. Now what is the question? Find the sum of 2, 7, 12 and dash to 10 terms. That means we have to write down S10. Sum of the last term is 10. This is the question mark. Then A is how much? 2. D is equal to how much? D is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Then write down the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where Sn is how much? 10. Sn is how much? 10. And n is 10 by 2 into 2 into a. A is how much? 2. Plus n means 10 minus 1 into d is 5. How many times cancel 10 into 5? 1 time, 5 times. 5 2 is 10. 5 into 2 2 is 4. Subtract 1 from 10, how much you get? 9. 9 into 5. Or 5 plus 4 plus 5 9 is 45. Or S10 is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 45, how much? 49. Or multiply 5 into 49, 5 9s are 45. Carry out 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So S10 is equal to how much you got? It is 240.